You see me drawing the existing plan of house for you. Top right shows the inspirations. Home will be upgraded from vacant to a 1 best energy rating possible. Room names are being written in to show you the before. No sunlight was getting into the house. The sunny side had small windows. There was derelict, damp front porch. The rooms were dark, dated decor, low ceilings, pokey rooms. The new design will use steels to open up the spaces, make a new stunning family home. Now she is drawing new front porch. It marks the entrance in a special way. A transition space between outside and inside. Inside, a vestibule before stair, a welcome space for visitors. The stair to be run in the opposite direction to allow for more space, and on the left the new kitchen layout begins.